Hi guys, let's review Xiaomi Fimi A3 drone. It is global version. It can work in every country. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver Xiaomi Fimi A3 drone and others Fimi drone to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like Xiaomi Fimi A3 drone, you can place the order directly. If you want to make B2B business of Xiaomi Fimi A3 drone, you can contact with us. Okay, let's continue to review Fimi A3 drone. And here are 6 pieces prepared. Quick release, 6 pieces prepared. You can install it into the aircraft quickly. The quality is very good quality. 6 pieces, okay? And here's 1 piece micro USB cable. Here's the charger with CE loads certificate. Balance charger. This is cable. Charging cable. Okay. And here's the Fimi A3 drone kickstart menu. Let's have a look at the menu quickly. It will have 1 piece aircraft, 1 piece remote controller, 1 piece USB cable, 1 piece charging transfer cable, have 6 pieces prepared, and 1 piece battery, 1 piece balance charger, charge 1 piece charger. About the remote controller. Aircraft battery, remote controlled battery is 2950 mAh battery. The battery for the aircraft is 2000 mAh battery. Here's the menu teaching how to use it. Okay, now let's continue to check the wireless controller. You can see it is a 4.3-inch. Resolution is 480 pixels by 272 pixels. Let's have a look. Languages only English and Chinese. GPS model. One thousand the max distance the controller with the aircraft 1000 meter. Okay, here's the aircraft. The gimbal and the camera. Camera is f2.0 aperture, 8 megapixel. For the photo resolution is 3264 pixels by 2448 pixels. For the video resolution is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels max. We can see the quality matter. Here's the charging port. Let's have a look. The charger, the battery. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. Here's the color box. English packages, English manual.